Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Jonas and I have a drift car. And last time on track I blew my head gasket. On my channel actually I have a video taking this head off, which is over there now. And in this vlog I will put it back together. But first I will stop to go through the oil which have been in the engine. So not much to discuss about that. Let's get to work. So after emptying this oil drain bucket, I can see only the gasket from the oil plug, but otherwise there is actually no debris at all in the oil, which is really good. Only some ethanol and water mixture. So now I have cleaned the block, sanded off some surface rust and checked the place where the gasket was broken, and now I have the gasket over there and the head is cleaned also underneath, so now it's time to start to put that split back. Good. Finally the head is back on. Still the intercooler is off and I have one hose over there which will go, this one actually will go over there. When I opened this I saw some water drips in the pipe, so I will take off the cooler and see if it's some water in it, just to be sure, because I don't want the engine to get a bunch of water at one time. So that's still to do, but now I will fill some oil in the engine and then I will try to start it. After thinking about it a bit and the water drips that I told you about in the pipe, it means I have some in the intake also, and I checked in the intake and I have some water down in the bottom of the intake, so I will take off this throttle body and then I will be able to clean it out on the inside. Now the throttle body is off. If you haven't seen a dirty intake, that's how it looks like, and it's really crappy. It's full of like gunk. It's just, I will clean it as good as I can and I will take out the water which is inside over there. But yeah, then later I will try to start it. now I'm finally this far with the engine build. I have cleaned the intake, oil in the engine, and it's time to start it. Try to start it. Yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm happy! Yeah, nice. So, as you heard, I just got the car back together and running for the first time. I still have these intercooler pipes off. I will clean the intercooler and then put it back together. And over here you can see some water because the exhaust manifold was quite a lot of water in it, so it's now emptied. That's why it's had some hard problems to start, I think. But yeah, it have been off, and it's the same spark plugs that I broke the head gasket with. So nothing like, it's okay. And it was running really good, and I got oil pressure, and yeah, looks fine. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next vlog. Click the bell, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and you will see more of this and some other things. Yeah. So see you in next vlog, video, post. Yeah. Please also comment if you have some questions. I've done quite a lot of work with this M104s. So yeah. See you. Bye.